Okay, and let's start off with a review of what happened today. Um, and let's get right down to it, and we'll rebuild the prep work for tomorrow. So, taking a look here at the Euro 1 hour, um, really an uneventful session, really. We were looking for What were we looking for? We were looking for shorts in the euro, look to sell extreme, buy or sell extreme levels, and we really didn't get anywhere near anything all day long. Looking at a 5 minute chart, the market really didn't do too much. There might have been a fade up here, 125.37. Um, that was near the close of the London session. Well, no, actually near the open of the New York session. Let me take a closer look here. I didn't trade the euro, so I wasn't sure. So yes, there was a fade here, but I really wouldn't call that an extreme. So if somebody didn't take that trade, then that would have been okay. But we were looking for shorts, and the market ended up uh, price bias with shorts. GBP we had shorts, and take a quick look at the GBP. The GBP kind of trickled down all day long. I was watching the GBP this morning. Um, there was a bit of a fade up here on a 5 minute chart. Let me show you the chart. The trade that I was looking at was this trade right here um, for a short, and it was for about 17 pips. One of my clients actually took that trade. Moving on to the Aussie dollar. Going to a 1 hour now. The Aussie dollar Aussie dollar. We were pretty aggressive on shorts, so we were semi aggressive looking for intraday shorts and reevaluate tomorrow. So here's the start of the 1 hour. Sorry, 5 minute. Here's the start of the New York session, and there's a beautiful short up at this high here that that you could have taken. I actually didn't take the trade, and the trade worked out for a nice liquidity run of about 20 pips. You could have really capitalized on, and I was looking for Friday's lows to be taken out, and we certainly took those out. Um, and I'm just going to go through the three majors here, and I'm going to restart for tomorrow. So going into tomorrow, let's go back to the euro. Going into tomorrow on the euro, we are just ugly. I would have to say neutral on the euro. My price bias on the euro is going to be, first of all, this is my prep work for 8. Uh, what's the date? 27th. Why I did that here? 27th, and price work, my price bias for my price bias for the euro is neutral. Sentiment bias is just mixed. And summary is going to be stay away. Oh, I misspelled neutral. Stay away. Going on to the GBP. Um, a little bit better on the GBP. Shorts, sentiment bias. Again, I'm going to say you can take some shorts on GBP. There is an area I want you to watch on the GBP though, and I really want to see how price reacts when we test this area. We could bounce off of 57.75 quite substantially. So I would want to see it get down below there or hopefully make some new high for me to get short on it. It's on the GBP. So let me just fix that up on the GBP. Shorts, mix, summary. So I'd say that's okay. Looking at the Aussie dollar. Um, Again, the Aussie dollar, you can continue to look for shorts on the Aussie dollar. Um, and everything is still aggressive shorts on the Aussie dollar. Going on to gold. Um, Gold. Oh, isn't that interesting? Nice close on gold. Um, I'm going to say gold, you can definitely look for some shorts on gold. You got to watch sentiment on gold tomorrow. So I'm going to be reading about sentiment first thing in the morning on gold before I take any trades on gold. So a summary would be sell or buy extremes on gold. Going on to the Canadian dollar. Um, Canadian dollar is we were short on the Canadian. We had a short bias on the Canadian dollar, and I'd say pretty much everything on the Canadian dollar stays intact. Swiss franc. Um, Swiss franc is just ugly. I'm going to say stay away from the fishy. Stay away. Uh, Stay away. The yen. Again, same story. Stay away. Stay away. Or I'm staying away. So we'll have to see what happens tomorrow. Again, all of my recommendations here are not to be taken literally. You're big boys and girls. Do not trade off of any of my advice. This is just simply what I will be looking at tomorrow for my trades. Um, Once again, I'm Steve Patterson, 27-year veteran trader. I also do coaching and mentoring. If you're interested, please feel free to contact me on Skype, SSPTrader, or email me, steven.sam.patterson@gmail. Skype is SSPTrader. Hope you enjoyed this review. We'll be back tomorrow and see what happens.